What is up, guys? So tonight we are working on the WRX. We're gonna start getting ready to pull the engine out. Don't have an engine hoist yet, but I do have the will and determination to get this engine out. So I'm gonna get everything ready to just pull the engine out. We're gonna start with the top mount intercooler and start ripping shit off from there. So yeah, catch up with you guys in a little bit. We are back, guys. Just pulled out the alternator, getting ready to pull out the AC pump. So here we are with that. Got the top mount intercooler out of there. Got it off and put away in the barn right now. Also pulled out the air intake. Haven't got that much done for the hour that it's been, but we're gonna keep going and see how far we're gonna get. So I'll be right back.
Schedule takes over my schedule. So
Oh shit. He paused and set his phone down and turned back on. I'm like, yo, I just don't want to be copywritten. He's like, homie, I got it. Fucking the ghost is like, play that shit. And we just look at each other like, sorry. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's the next night. Kept working last night. Stopped vlogging because I got tired. Alexis got tired. We went home. We picked up a new light. It's Jose. You all know Jose. He's back. Picked up a new light from Home Depot. Fucking would rather gone to Lowe's, but it is what it is. I'll show you guys what we got so far. This is where the AC set, alternator, power steering pump, radiators out, radiator fans, got the timing belt off. Jose's pulling out the turbo. I just sliced the lines on the fuel filter so that that's disconnected. Gotta finish pulling this up, we gotta get a few clamps off that. And then we are almost ready to pull the engine. Oh shit. We gotta get a cherry picker still, but the engine's almost ready to come out. Talked to my boy Bill Schneider, check him out at Rumble Garage. He's the one that helps me with all my Subaru shit. Supposed to meet up with him tomorrow to pick up a tranny and short block for this. And yeah, oh, he told me I've never pulled a tranny a day in my life. I've only pulled maybe 1 or 2 engines, so. He told me to pull out the CV shaft, the drive shaft, and the transmission cross member, and I should be good to just cherry pick the whole thing out. So we're gonna see how that goes, and I'm gonna end this video right here.